3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Bang.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that.
What's up, everybody? It's Kaze from Kaze Media. So you don't know where I try to bring back the YouTube channel. YouTube channel, I get a video for a while, you see me? So today I go Fort Augusta. Some Virgin Noel go there. So I say, oh, we live at Portmore whenever I go there, you know, I make a flex.
Hey.
So me and Drone View I go. Long time I know them man, I say, man, I come in a YouTube thing. You know, me and him have to go par enough because today we say I come around here and the man say, oh, I'm not thinking car can make it, you know. And when you look on the man car, and he really never that make it, you know. You see them rough road there. So, you know old Betsy, right there so behind me. Old Betsy we have to go use all the time. So got him car stush. That's why I got decent place. So when he make him YouTube channel, I will tell him to subscribe to him channel and thing. But for now, supposed to go show you some drone shots from film camera.
People run come now, no see it, yeah, Icas. I miss a Icas media. No, we no kill, we no reaper. Get your picture, take turn you in a diva. People run come now, no see it, yeah, Icas media, Icas media. When you shot a picture that turn up, and then they do a video that burn up. Touch out and road, all the fans them run up, yeah. And them a rally round from night to sun up. I speculate how the Icas come up. And them a wonder if the money can done up. So I get the share and the nanny that enough of. Cause of business the dog and bluff up. Icas media. No, we no kill, we no reaper. Get your picture, take turn you in.
Alright. Closer. That thing there.
Alright, so you know this is not gonna be a long video cause sun come out. You know me no run up and down in the sun, you know. So, be careful. Alright, that's where you take off from?
No, it come back where I last was with this.
Oh.
Because I was in the car a while ago.
Yeah, I'm afraid of drone, I'm afraid of drone, just like me. So I'm afraid of my own.
Change the battery.
Oh. So, like I say, I go check out Fort Augusta. I not go in there. You see me? I have to big up my Virgin Noel from Magnet Fish in Jamaica. The man the brave. You see me? Probably film himself or commit a crime still, you know, because I'm almost sure this is a heritage site where you're not supposed to trespass and go over there. But a man that live at Portmore, you know, and reach here before me. Now you'll have a fight, you know. You could have called me, you know, dog. I was supposed to go through that door here. Yo, me short, you know. I'm a very short man, you know. Bitch height, you know. So, who for go through that door here? I got pure short people used to live at Jamaica.
I miss a Icas media. No, we no kill, we no reaper. Get your picture, take turn you in a diva. People run come now, no see it, yeah. Icas media, Icas media. When you shot a picture that turn up, and then they do a video that burn up. Touch out and road, all the fans them run up, yeah. And them a rally round from night to sun up. I speculate how the Icas come up. And them a wonder if the money can done up. So I get the share and the nanny that enough of. Cause of business the dog and bluff up. Icas media. No, we no kill, we no reaper. Get your picture, take turn you in a diva. People run come now, no see it, yeah, Icas. I miss a Icas media. No, we no kill, we no reaper. Get media.